I'm glad that Global Ethics Forum is happening in Bangalore and delegates from all over the world are here. It's a need of the hour that we need to uplift the ethics. We need to re-establish trust and confidence in various aspects of social life, business, politics, religion. Almost in every field, there is a degradation of ethics, and this would lead our society to the disaster which we can never imagine. This will be much higher disaster than any war world has ever seen. So if we need to prevent society from decaying, ethics need to be upheld. Ethics in business, ethics in religion, ethics in personal interaction, integrity in life, in professional life and personal life. The eroding values is an indication of a diseased society. So it's high time we all should sit together and think ways and means to bring back ethics in every aspect of our life. In fact, if ethics is integrated in our life, in our day to day life, it automatically reflects in anything we do. So, first we need to attend to ourselves, see how we can free ourselves from insecurity, fear, and distress and mistrust, violence, and selfishness. For this, we need to broaden our vision and go deep within ourselves and serve the people around us as much as we can. You know, there is a formula to get depressed. You know what is that? Just sit and think only about yourself. What about me? What about me? What about me? If you repeat this mantra, what about me? What about me? You're bound to get depressed. And if you take a vow to bring smiles and wipe tears in every face that you interact with, there will be much more happiness in life and in society. So, we all should work together with a deep sense of commitment. I'm sure there are millions and millions of people on this planet who have all the good intentions, but simply they don't get a platform to express their ideas or actions, or find a way to act. And this is where forums like this would help people to have an action plan and pursue that. I wish success to all the delegates, and I'm sure you will come up with some action plan or many action plan for that matter, and we'll see that the society around us becomes a better place. The world becomes a better place to live.